You won't stand. I bet you that. You will be standing. I bet you be standing. Okay? I ain't got to. I ain't got to.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up. That's what you do.
I'm not moving. If you don't want to sit there, get the fuck up.
Well, you can stop yelling in my ear and
Well,
you move your pocketbook up off of me.
Maybe.
Nasty, rude. I wish a girl just come up and just slap me down.
Why don't you do it?
Because I'm a man.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
I don't give a
Okay.
fuck.
You might say you're pregnant or something. You might say you're pregnant or something. I ain't stupid enough to go to jail for no minor. Get out my face.
You get out my fucking
Get out my face.
Get out my face.
Get out my face.
You get out my face.
Please get out my face.
If you don't
Please move out my face. So why are you yelling in my ear? Yes, you are. All the way over there. And you all up on nasty and rude.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
That's what you need to do. Shut up.
That's what the fuck came from. That's right. I'm a good one. I'm a good one. And a good one. 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 I'm waiting for you to put your fucking hands on me.
I'm waiting on you.
I'm waiting for your hands on me. I'm good for it.
Shut up.
Good for it. Yeah, you are sorry for shit. I was born here. You came to my country. I didn't come to yours. Okay. Go back to the table.
It's not your fucking country. It's not your country. Everybody. Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, takes one to know one.
You are.
Takes one to know one.
Shut up.
Shut up.
You can come on.
Tell your mama to shut up. That's what you do. Tell your mama to shut up. I'm old enough to be your fucking father.
I don't give a fuck. No, you're not. You could be my fucking
I'm
father.
fucking 1 year old.
Back. You piece of shit.
Yeah, you came from it.
I don't give
You
a
should
fuck.
know. You came from it.
Shut up.
And I'll be back in my land.
If you don't want to get what I want to say, you get me. Back. Yeah, you can get transferred. I am afraid I get
Phony ass lost the married. Because she's somewhere else. Phony ass. You ain't no real one. Okay, that's a good one. And black and I'm proud. And black and I'm proud. You shut the fuck up. You sorry voice. Goddamn girl. Like a goddamn fucking prostitute.
Yes, I am.
Fuck out of here.
You shut the fuck up.
At your age.
At
your age. Who want that? Who want that overlap stomach? Get the fuck out of here. Go get your toes done. Do something. Get a real weed. Get a real weed. Get a real weed. Look like you need a perm in your head. This is what you call perm. That's what you call perm. That's what you call perm. Get a real weed. Get a real weed. Get a real weed. Get a real weed. Get a real weed.
You look like you have HIV. You're all the fucking